afternoon. I'm Shamini from Pretty In Plus TV. We are here live at the Chinese Assembly Hall in Kuala Lumpur, witnessing the Sashing ceremony of all the beauty queens of Dewi, Malaysia. Now, Dewi Malaysia is a brand managed by Cast Global Empire, an event company focused on organizing competitions and managing beauty queens. Dewi Malaysia was established in May 2022 by a group of people who have been involved in beauty pageants and modeling for more than 7 years. Now, Dewi Malaysia has become a platform for pageant enthusiasts to develop their pageant skills, knowledge, and prepare them for the international beauty pageant platform. Now, there will be many contestants in this event. We will be meeting them later on. More to you from me by PIP TV. The Sashing ceremony of all the finalists for Dewi Malaysia. The finals will be in June 2023. Don't forget to buy your tickets. We've met all the contestants, they're lovely ladies. I've also met the founder of Dewi Malaysia. Check out more in PIP TV. Also, don't forget to get your tickets. Do follow Dewi Malaysia on Instagram for more information. So I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.